Now we are going to see example 347. See the question. If alpha, beta are the roots of the equation 2x squared minus x minus 1 equal to 0, then form the equation whose roots are, three questions are there. One is 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. Second question is alpha squared beta and beta squared alpha. Third one is 2 alpha plus beta, 2 beta plus alpha. See this question. Here they are asking you to form the equation. Till the previous sum we used to only simplification part, that is sum of the two roots or product of the roots only we calculated. Here we are going to frame one new equation. That new equation for this roots we are going to consider. So before seeing this one, we are going to start with the given value. So given value, let the given equation is 2x squared minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So alpha and beta are the roots of this equation only. Now write the values of a, b, c. So what is a? A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 1. Now we know these three values. We are going to find sum of roots as well as product of roots of alpha and beta. So we can say alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. That is minus b value is minus 1, a is 2. Now that is equal to minus into minus plus, so 1 by 2. Then alpha beta. So product of two terms, that is c by a. What is c value? Minus 1 and a value is 2. So now we calculated alpha plus beta, alpha beta. That is alpha and beta are roots of the given equation. Now we are going to find the first sum. In first question, the two roots are given, 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. For these two new roots, in the two new roots, nama oru equation new frame pananum. How to frame? So first vande in the two roots edukrom. In the two roots oda sum, in the two roots oda product find money, oru new equations we are going to frame. Eppadi pandromu parunga. Now 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. Find the sum of these roots. Sum of roots equal to, that is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. If two fractions vande central sign plus or minus vande, we will use cross multiplication method or LCM method. So just here I am going to cross method inga nama apply panna porom. So 1 into beta is beta plus 1 into alpha is alpha by beta into alpha or alpha into beta. So in the terms enava aichu pa namakku alpha plus beta by alpha beta. In the alpha plus beta value nama already inga find pannirukrom. Same alpha beta value find pannirukrom. And the rendu values inga nama replace panna porom. So that is equal to 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. Now rendu same fraction cancel panna 1 you will get, and here minus sign is there, so we are going to write minus. So 1 by 2 cut பண்ணிட்டோம்னா நமக்கு 1 வரும். இந்த minus sign நம்ம இங்க எழுதியாச்சு. Same like product of roots. That is 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. So product form na direct we can multiply. நேரடியா நம்ம numerator-ஐயும் denominator-ஐயும் multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம். So 1 into 1 1 by alpha into beta na alpha beta. So in the place la alpha beta values replace பண்ண போறோம். So that is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 2. So take reciprocal. So you will get minus 2. 2 by 1 வரும். So direct we can write number minus 2. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு நியூ ரூட்ஸ் ஓட சம், இந்த டூ நியூ ரூட்ஸ் ஓட சம்மும் ப்ராடக்ட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம ஒரு நியூ ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் கொண்டு வர போறோம். ஃபார் தட் ஒரு ஃபார்முலாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். தட் இஸ் the required equation is formula x squared minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. So equation வந்தாலே equal to some value you will get. So general form வரும்போது equal to 0 we are taking. இப்போ இங்க sum of rootsங்கிறது நியூவா ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கிற வேல்யூ, ஜஸ்ட் அதை இங்க ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணுங்க. x squared minus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta into x plus productங்கிறது 1 by alpha into 1 by beta equal to 0. So இந்த values வந்து ஒவ்வொரு ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி நம்ம சம்ல என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதை ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ண போறோம். அதுக்கு ஒரு வேல்யூஸ் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண போறோம். Now replace the calculated value. இப்போ என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கிறோமோ அந்த வேல்யூஸ் இங்க எழுதுங்க. This sum value -1 we found plus இந்த வேல்யூ வந்து -2. Now x squared minus into minus plus 1 into x வந்து x னே போட்டுக்கலாம். plus x plus into minus is minus 2 equal to 0. So இதுதான் நம்மளோட required new equation. That new equation we are calculating for these two new roots 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. So கொடுக்கிற equationsல questionல இருந்து we are going to find sum of roots alpha plus beta வும் product of roots alpha into beta வும் find பண்ணிக்கிறோம். அதுக்கு அடுத்தது new equations find பண்ணோம்னா சம்ல கொடுத்துக்கிற new rootsக்கு some value product value find money, then we are going to take this general formula and replace it. அதுக்கு அடுத்து ஒரு equation form நம்ம கொண்டு வரோம்.